In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade out of a video in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the Canva website and go and import your video footage into the timeline. Now, once you have your video like this, in order to fade out of the video, we first need to click on the Add Page button down in the bottom timeline, click on the background color palette, and then go and select the color for your background. So I'm going to select a black color like this. Then move your mouse cursor between your video and this black layer and click on Add Transition. Now go and select one of these transitions. So I'm going to be selecting Dissolve. So if I go and play this back, you can see now the video footage fades to black. Now you can choose to either increase or decrease this fade effect by changing the duration in seconds. So if I wanted to make this quicker, I can go and reduce the number like this. And now if I go and play this back, it's going to be a much quicker fade like so. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.